Don't worry if you lost your old contacts and call history from your device. There are two possible ways that can restore your deleted contacts, and I will share both of them. Watch them carefully and let's start method number 1. At first, open your Play Store. Go to Profile and click on Google account. This page will appear. Then scroll down and select Data and Privacy. After that, scroll down again and find Download your data. You will be referred to this page. Next, click on Deselect All. Scroll down to Contact. Next, scroll down to the end and click on Next Step. Don't change anything here. Tap on Create Export. Next, open your Gmail app. Like this, you will also receive this. Open this and click here to download your files. Open the file after download. It will be a zip file. Like this, you will see your some contacts here. Method number 2. At first, go to Phone Settings. Search Restore. Click on Restore Data. Select Call Logs, Contacts and restore it. Like this, your deleted contacts will be restored in Phone app or Contact app. And thanks for watching.